Are you familiar with Fiverr? Do you want to make money even without doing anything? Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And here's how you can make money on Fiverr even without needing any skill. All it needs is 5 simple steps, and don't worry as it shall be explained in a manner that any of you can easily understand. So if you're interested, take note of all the steps and take this opportunity for yourself to have a great side hustle to help earn you income. There will be a bonus tip on how you can further increase your earnings by using another platform. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. Step number 1, you must simply visit Fiverr. Over 60 million visitors from around the world visit Fiverr each month, over 200 nations, including the United States, Pakistan, India, the United Kingdom, and Bangladesh. But what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a totally free online marketplace where you can either go and offer services, sell your services, and market your abilities, or someone else may come and purchase those services from you. In this tutorial, we won't be purchasing anything from Fiverr, but will instead demonstrate how you can utilize this site for freelance labor to earn money online without completing any of the job yourself. This is applicable to whatever niche you choose, including graphic design, voiceovers, video editing, app development, and web design, among other areas. Pick your poison. Simply head over to fiverr.com and click the join button to join up for an account for absolutely free. You may either manually enter your email address and click continue, or you can join using Facebook, Google, or Apple. The sign up procedure is also fairly quick, no more than 2 minutes. Simple as that. Step number 2, you need to do some research before you really leap into selling those services because there are literally millions of individuals on Fiverr who are also giving their services. So in order to stand out and in order to truly be successful with this, you may have to do a little investigation on Fiverr. Whatever service you are interested in, just make sure that it can ensure you a great amount of income with little to no competition. To do that, proper research must be done, and one website to do that is on Fiverlytics. Simply go to fiverlytics.com. You simply want to go to keyword analytics. Most people merely want to concentrate on a few short services when they first start out, such as logo design. Let's take that for example. Click Analyze Keyword in the search bar to target a keyword. Say you type in logo design, it will reveal that there are over 174 services already available for purchase. There are about 174 gigs that offer logo designs. As a result, there is fierce rivalry in the market for logo designs, and the average sale for these services is $106, which is fairly reasonable price. Let's say you prefer video editing. Simply type that as a keyword, and it will show that on Fiverr, there are over 32,000 freelancers offering video editing services for an average cost of $95. It is still fierce rivalry, but the average price is fairly reasonable. For instance, you like music videos and lyrics. Go back to fiverlytics.com and you will see that there are 7,000 gigs available for this with an average cost of $38. Yes, it is somewhat below $40, but you should already consider this option because there isn't much competition and you can still potentially charge a respectable price for your business. No problem there, right? Step number 3, you have to know how to rank on Fiverr. As mentioned earlier, there are over 60 million people that visit Fiverr every single month. So after you have identified the service you prefer to pursue with low competition service but high average price, you can continue on to creating your gig. Let's say you pick up on social content for Instagram categories, a service where someone creates content for your Instagram page. If you search it up on fiverlytics.com, it will show that there are over 1,000 services available with an average price of $58. With a super low competition and $58 for average price, it's a perfect place to start your gig. Now, before you start creating your gig, you want to do one last research and see what the best selling services are doing in your category. You want to find out what works for them, check what titles they use, and how they advertise their engagements. To get a sense of what the greatest sellers are doing, when it comes to this specific area, you want to look at their description and what they are included there, what they find effective, and what is producing outcomes for them so you may apply that information to your own projects. However, you should not just simply copy and paste those best sellers since it is not the greatest course of action. Simply observe what they are doing to get an idea of what will work best for that Fiverr category. Step number 4 involves actually making your gig on Fiverr. Once you find out what works better with your category, you could do the same for your own gig. So, start to create your gig by first giving it a title, such as I will create Instagram content and manage your account. From that title itself, you already have three different keywords: Instagram content and managing your account. When someone inputs those words into Fiverr, your gig would most likely pop up in their search results, allowing you to have organic traffic and rank on Fiverr. From here on, you simply need to configure the necessary details on Fiverr website, such as in this case, you will be using digital marketing and social media marketing for Instagram. You will also input tags that you think people may search for as keywords, such as Instagram management, Instagram marketing, Instagram, and other different words. Once you are done with that, you need to set up your packages for your gigs, also known as the pricing plans. The optimal way to go is have three packages, as it would have maximized the results of your gig. You can set your basic package to cost only $5, that when someone sees your gig on Fiverr, they'll think, oh, this is $5. They will notice that you are less expensive than anyone else, immediately consider your service and click it. When they open it, they discover that they will only receive the very minimum of that service for $5. They won't receive a complete service, but if they want one, they may purchase a regular or premium plan, which in this case may cost between $40 and $100. You could also make your basic plan to be a free trial, such as 3 days Instagram content. Simply fix your three package plans, the basic, standard, and premium plan, and adjust it to how you want to cost future customers. Once you're done with that, you will now do a really important part, which is to write a description for your gig. To help you rank better on Fiverr, you should be as descriptive as you can, while also using as many keywords as you can. Include all of the different keywords that you believe people will use to find a service like yours. You could possibly prepare a very lengthy description, but it will undoubtedly be helpful to you in the long run. Just take a few minutes to develop a very good description of your gig, since it will draw in consumers and help you climb the Fiverr ranks. Get that writer side of yours thinking. After that part, you will save and continue, then move on to the next step of creating your gig. One platform you should consider in making your thumbnail is Canva, since it is 100% free and newbie friendly. Due to the fact that everything has already been done for you in a large part, you don't need any prior knowledge of graphic design to complete this task when working on that platform, thus saving you a lot of time. Once you're finished, simply click the download button. This is available for download to your computer. Step number 5 is where you now try and complete any service without doing the work yourself, allowing you to earn money on Fiverr. With this step, you are doing a similar process to drop shipping. You can visit websites such as peopleperhour.com or additional sites like Upwork and other alternative freelance marketplaces to Fiverr. For instance, if you visit peopleperhour.com, a great Fiverr substitute, you can explore a little and find someone who will produce 30 social media posts, including 30 Instagram posts, for $190. If you were to sell that service on Fiverr for $300, you would then be able to make profit. To further maximize your results, here's a simple tip. You should consider calling the seller first, or in fact, contact 10 or 15 different sellers and attempt to negotiate the price a little bit before you leap under the first seller you discover in a separate freelancing site for whom you want to resell those services. In order to get them to lower the price for you, you may tell them that you'll be utilizing their services on a monthly basis or that you'll be using them often. Now that you know how to do any job on Fiverr and earn money without having any talents, here is a bonus step on how to maximize your results and increase your income. This step is optional, so you don't have to do it, but it will increase your chances of generating more money overall from your Fiverr gigs and increase the number of sales you make. What is it? Use YouTube as an extra traffic source. Making videos on the services you want to offer is the easiest thing to accomplish, and these videos may again be about whatever you choose. You don't even have to reveal your face. You may select a topic that interests you and that you want to discuss. You may make presentation style videos or screen sharing videos. There are many various ways. That was how to start up a gig in Fiverr and make money without having to do the work yourself. Even without having any talents and skills, you can still earn income through a little bit of effort and research. Explore what kind of service you want to pursue and make sure that you have the confidence to beat the competition and earn that sweet money. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finance Simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon.